Good morning, guys. Wow, it's kind of like a blustery morning here in town. I am still all stuffy and kind of like sick, but I'm able to talk much better than I was the last time I vlogged. I'm gonna get my hair done today, so I'm going to Delir Street. Oh my god, I look like a hot mess today. Like, my hair is so messy. Getting it done in Delir Street in Platinum, where I always get it done, but it's so like horrible in town. Like, it's really wet, and a guy slipped on O'Connell Street. Like, well, I'm on O'Connell Street now, but just before I started vlogging, a guy slipped on the street because it's so wet. Like, and when the street becomes really wet, like, it's like scary. You fall and slip, and yeah, he just fell right in front of me, and I was like, oh my god. I was like, you okay? And he didn't speak English, but he was okay. Anyway, I'm like 10 minutes early for my appointment, so I'm gonna like run into Penny's quickly because I think I need to get an umbrella, because if I come out of the hairdresser's and it's still raining like this, it's not gonna be fun. Okay, so the weather is nice now and the sun is out, so I'm gonna go for like a McDonald's breakfast, I think, or I go for my hair appointment because I'm starving, and I was like, maybe I can hold out till after my hair appointment, but not hope. Like, I'm gonna be famished, so I'm gonna go get McDonald's brekkie. Extensions out, guys. Look at the hair. It's getting so like volumized again because I'm getting my drag root, and it's just become like so much more fuller. Like, you can see here like how full it is since I've got my drag root, and then obviously like the dead ends at the bottom aren't as bad as they used to be because they're like getting cut and stuff. It's great. Like, I actually have volume in my hair. Done and dusted, guys. Got the hair did, and it's so nice. I'm actually in love with it. It's the best condition it's been in forever. Sorry, I'm just trying to hold this camera and like walk and talk at the same time and not cover the speaker. Anyway, yeah, it's so healthy and just like bouncy and like full and voluminous, and I'm just so happy with it. Like, Platinum have actually improved the quality, and but like just the way my hair is, they've just improved it like so much. I'm going to go into detail when I get home about exactly what they've done to my hair, and they're sending me out some products as well in the post, so I'll talk about like some of the products that I've been using and stuff. But just my hair is just in so much better health, and just the dark root is just helping a lot. And I have so many new baby hairs and stuff, and they were like showing me like the back of my hair in the mirror and all the new baby hairs and stuff, and it's just, everything's looking great. Now I'm trying to cross the road and not die, so I will chat to you guys when I'm home because it won't be safe till then. So I'm home after my lovely day in town getting my hair done. I'm super happy with it. I can actually properly talk to you guys as well now. I'll just put up the blind here, let in some light. I was kind of like talking to you guys when I was walking down the street, not so articulatedly, but I was explaining to you about my hair. I know some of you are really not going to care about this, and I did mention it last week, and I was just talking about how I have a drag, oh, look at my hair, like my hairline there. So I was talking to you guys about how I have a dragged root, which you can probably see that there. So basically a dragged root is kind of like balayage, but as you can see it doesn't come down too far. So like balayage might come like maybe down to like here maybe, I'm not really sure. Like balayage kind of comes down a little bit further on your hair. So I get my highlights done first, and they put all the foils or whatever, well they use the plastic sticky things, I don't know what they're called, I have no idea of technical things when it comes to hairdressing, but they do my highlights, and then they do the drag roots, so they just do the dye all around the rest of your hair. And it's just been helping my hair with its health. Like this bit here, I don't know if you can see that there, like I know this doesn't even seem like very dramatic, but this is like over my collarbone now. These bits of hair used to be really short and kind of like spiky, and they're all back there, so it has grown like that much, maybe even more, and it's just so much healthier. And then they do like a treatment, and I think in my blonde highlights there is Olaplex. I'm nearly certain, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm nearly certain. And I go to Platinum every single time I get my hair done. I take my hair extensions out, they do my colour, and they put my new ones in, and then they give me a treatment. I get a head massage, I get a toner. It's lovely. It's just a really nice experience. And today I had like 2 glasses of Prosecco, like 3 cups of coffee, and then like loads of little treats like bars and stuff, and it's really relaxing. I really enjoy it. I love going to Platinum. I don't know, I just feel really happy with my hair every single time. And I'm not sponsored by Platinum by any means, I'm just explaining to you guys about my hair and the life of it and what's been going on with it and what they've done to get my hair back in health, because my hair was so brittle, it was snapping at the root, which meant that I had like loads of these like little short bits all around my head. Like you can even see like how long that's after getting. Loads of little short bits everywhere. And my hair was just kind of like really unhealthy, and there was like spiky bits of hair everywhere, and it just looked awful. Like it looked dreadful, to say the least. So now I'm just kind of really happy with the state of affairs that my hair is in and how healthy it's in. And yeah, I think that's all I want to say to you about my hair. I'm sorry I'm ranting and raving about that. I have work to do tomorrow. I have lots of work to do. I have invoices and things to send off, and lots of, oh sorry, bought a new car. Sorry, I'm really excited about it. That's why I was like, I need to go get diesel in it, because I was just like, I really want to like fill her up. I got a new car. I bought the car in Newbridge, and I got it on Tuesday, and I got it from a garage, and I'm so happy with it. It's the same as my last car. It's an Audi A4. I just like how they drive, they perform and everything. But this car was cheaper on insurance. I didn't even realize it, because I was like coming like to pick up the car, and I was like, this is the car I'm buying, this is like the reg. I was like, can you insure me? I'm taking it home today. And they were like, yeah, and they're like, we're reimbursing you €60 basically. I was like, brilliant. And it's the first car that I have ever bought myself, with no loans, no help from family, parents, nothing. I bought it all myself, and I just feel really proud. I'm like, this is the first car I've actually bought myself. It's an Audi A4, and it's black, and it's beautiful, and I just love it. It's leather interior, it's an S-line, it's 1.9. It's exactly what I wanted. I wanted like so many little things, and I wrote them all down, because if you will remember, maybe like 8 weeks ago, I said that my Audi had to go to car heaven, and I'm really upset over it, because the beast, I call her. I have had the beast for, I want to say like 5 years, but she needs to be retired, because the whole like braking system basically is just gone. Like it's like basically irreparable. It's not like completely irreparable. I could spend €1,000 to get it repaired, or I could just put that €1,000 towards my new car, and that's what I did. So I'm really sad to say goodbye to the beast. Like she has to go to the scrapyard, and I'm so sad, because I remember the first time I was getting rid of my very first car, which was a little Micra, and I remember the head gasket blew in it and everything. Her name was Ellie, by the way. So when Ellie went to car heaven, I remember just being so devastated, and now this is happening to my blue Audi, and I'm just really sad over it. But I have my new car, and she's beautiful. The only thing she doesn't have is cruise control. It's not the worst thing, but it's the only kind of thing. And the Bose speakers. But I think I'm going to take the Bose speakers out of my old Audi and put them into my new one. I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do. And now I need to come up with a name for my new car. I know that sounds really weird, but I like naming my cars, because I feel like it gives them like a personality. The reason why I called the white Micra, it was my very first car, and I got when I was 19, I think. 18 maybe. And I called her Ellie because I was obsessed with Ellie Goulding, and it just so happened to be the very first song I ever heard in that car was an Ellie Goulding song. Anyway, I don't think I have any other news for you guys. I'm going to IKEA this weekend. Last was speaking to you, I was at a barbecue. I'm like so boring. I'm not even like moving around location. I'm just gonna like sit here on my bed. This vlog is gonna be really boring probably, just me sitting around. I feel like I haven't spoken to you in ages. So I went to a barbecue on Sunday and I was so sick. I was just like real nasally. And then I went to the premiere of The Lion King Monday night. Absolutely epic. Oh my god, epic. So amazing. Now I meant to vlog for you guys, but I left my camera in my home house and I wasn't staying in my home house. I didn't get home to my home house till on Tuesday, which is quite stupid because I should have brought my camera with me, but I didn't think I wasn't going to be home all weekend. But anyway, I left my camera behind, so I didn't get to vlog anything for you, which is really annoying because Lion King, epic. Amazing. So the premiere was just lovely. It was really, really nice. Oh, Tuesday I picked up the car. Yesterday was Wednesday. What did I do yesterday? Worked all day. And then I called over to Ollie last night. I think that's everything. I think that's basically all I've been up to since I last vlogged. I was sick over the weekend, so I was sick all day Friday and Saturday. It was awful. And one of my friends' birthdays was on, Neve's birthday was on Saturday, and I couldn't even go. And I just felt like really upset. So she's actually away on holidays at the moment, so I'm gonna have to catch up with her when she comes back. I just feel really, really bad because I was just so sick. Well, I was lucky I got to go down to Ruth and Clark on Thursday and I got to catch up with them last week. I just saw this product here on my bedside table and I was like, where the hell did this even come out of? I feel like this was in a Pure package, but it's from Pennies and it's their PS Charcoal Cleanse Detox Micellar Water, and I've never actually seen anyone talk about this. Has anyone used this before? Because I'm gonna give it a go and see what I think about it. But it's black, like look at the color of it. It's obviously charcoal and stuff, but it's black. And it says it removes makeup, dirt and excess oil and leaves skin cleansed and refreshed. I think I'm gonna do like a testing Pennies or Primark skincare for like a week. I think that would be kind of fun, and just to see like what the product's actually like, because they've loads of new skincare products and they sent me out like loads of Pure, but I'm just after seeing that on my bedside table. I don't know where that's after coming out of right now. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready for bed and I'm gonna take my makeup off. I have this like cute little headband thing, so I'm gonna put that around my head while I take off my makeup. Right, well, I decided that I'm gonna use the, where's it gone? So I brought it in here with me. I'm gonna use this charcoal cleansing micellar water and I'm gonna see, can this take off my makeup? I don't know, I'm kind of interested to see how it goes, or like if it's any good at taking off my makeup. I think it's so weird that it's black, like it's just so weird, and there's like little bits in it. I don't know if you can even see that on the cotton round. Yeah, you're definitely not gonna be able to see that yet, but there's like little dark bits in it. I don't usually take my makeup off with micellar water, but essentially we'll try this one out and see what it's like. Okay, I think that's sufficiently covered enough of those things, cotton rounds. Let's see what it does with the eye makeup. I don't really have that much eye makeup on, to be fair. It smells really nice. It takes off a good amount of makeup. I feel like it's like removed everything. Oh my god, I really like that. Like I said, I don't normally take my makeup off with cotton rounds. Oh my god, that's really good. That's actually like cleansed all my makeup off. It's hard to kind of show you it because the cotton round's like dark, but like you can kind of see what it's doing. So the other thing I have here is a mud to foam cleanser, and I'm going to try this one because that's what that looks like. It's black as well, so that's going to be fun. I'm going to wash my face with that and see how this works. So cool, it's like so black. This is great. Obviously charcoal. It doesn't have any beads or anything in it. Oh my god, this is so cool, and it smells so nice, and I look so pretty right now. Oh. It smells unbelievable. That's probably not a good thing, the fact it's scented as well, guys, because I know a lot of people are like not feeling the whole scent of things, and it's not good for your skin. That cleanser, I'm totally feeling. It just like made my skin feel really, really good, and like just like it's clean, especially walking around town all day, you know, the way it's like so dirty and fumes of cars and stuff, so it's not great. So I'm going to try this peel off mask, and this is a matte priming peel off mask enriched with charcoal, and this mask helps to dry out impurities, remove oils and refine pores, leaving skin purified. I haven't done a face mask probably in like a week, so this would be perfect. Again, it's black because of charcoal, and I don't know how many faces you would get out of this. I'd say probably 1. I hope they still have this range in pennies because I'm actually loving it, and I definitely would pick up more of it. Oh my god, this is insane. This is like, this is actually like rubbing tar onto my face. That pulls out the impurities and leaves my skin looking good. That's all I care about. This has like a really nice scent as well, but it's a different scent to the other 2 products. It smells like a little bit of eucalyptus-y. Not really good with like describing scents. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Try and avoid my eyebrows because that will not be fun when I'm peeling this off. It's ridiculously sticky and difficult to spread. This mask is probably the most fun thing I've tried so far. So I'm just gonna leave this on until it dries and then peel it off. I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I'm peeling it off because I think that'll be fun. I'm just trying to keep my hair out of it. So I'm gonna like go and lie down and watch a movie. But I can't wait to come back and peel this all off for you guys. I think it's gonna be so fun. Okay, so it's been on like 10 minutes and I'm gonna, well, maybe like 15. I'm gonna try and peel this off. And try not to peel my skin off. Oh my god. Oh, that's painful. I feel like it's like peeled my skin and all my hair and everything off. Ow! Oh my god, did I pull anything out? Like, tiny little things. More of my hair than anything else. Like, I feel like it has pulled all my little hairs out. I'm gonna like wash the rest of this off my face. Make sure you do not get this into your eyebrows because you will literally pull your eyebrows off. Off, I tell you. Off. Okay, so that was the ventral. Let's take this off as well. I am gonna go to bed now. I'm just gonna brush my teeth. And then I think I'm done and I have nothing more to kind of fill you in on the day. So if you were happy enough to see me pull my whole entire face off and you enjoyed today's vlog of me getting my hair done, then give today's video a thumbs up and I'll talk to you all in my next vlog. I love you guys. Bye.